In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search set elements in Canva. If you've ever found a graphic you love in Canva and wanted more elements that match its style perfectly, this is the fastest, most reliable way to do it. The key is using the element set code. A set code is a unique identifier that connects an element to its wider collection. So once you have it, you can pull up the entire matching set in one search. Start by opening your project in Canva and selecting the element or image you want to match. Make sure it's highlighted so Canva knows exactly which item you're working with. Now, right-click on that element to open the context menu and choose Info. This option displays details about the element, including how it's categorized inside Canva's library. If you don't see info, double-check that you've clicked a Canva library element rather than an uploaded image. Inside the info view, look for the option called View Collection and click it. This takes you to the Elements Collection page. On the left side, you'll see the Set Collection panel, which groups all related elements. In this panel, Canva shows you the set code. It's typically a short combination of letters and numbers tied to that style or series. Take a moment to note or copy this code exactly as it appears. Small details matter here, so avoid extra spaces when you copy it. With the set code in hand, head to the Element Search field in the left sidebar. Click into the search bar and paste the code. Press Enter, and Canva will load all elements that belong to that same set. This is the quickest way to get a full, consistent suite of icons, illustrations, or graphics that match the original piece you selected. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. First, always start from an element that already fits the look you want. The set code you retrieve will then lead you to more of the same style. Second, if your search doesn't return results, paste the code again to ensure there are no leading or trailing spaces, and confirm you're searching within elements. Finally, remember that set codes reflect curated collections, so browsing those results often reveals variations, filled and outlined versions, different colorways, and multiple poses that help you keep your design cohesive without extra hunting. That's it. By grabbing the set code from an element's info and view collection, then pasting it into the element search, you can quickly surface a whole set of matching assets and keep your design clean, consistent, and efficient.